I really think pet tourism could be a thing in Costa Rica. Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen for TravelCostaRicaNow.com, and D'Angelo's taking his dog Chispa in for a checkup. But Chispa just thinks she's out for a stroll. She doesn't know really what's going on, and I don't think she's gonna like it much, but we'll see. We've lived here 16, 17 years, and we found, finding a good vet, which is really important to us, kind of difficult. We're not saying they don't exist because we just found one here, but so we're about an hour away from La Fortuna in a bigger town called Ciudad Quesada, also known as San Carlos, and this is a one-stop vet. Nurses and doctors were great. You can see they do the dental care. That's a big old cat right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this was kind of sad. This dog has a tumor, and this is kind of a little mini ICU unit. So Chispa's getting a little anxious now. I think she knows what's going on. So they were so thorough. They do everything. The blood work, the weight. Hey, don't show that. Like I said, they do everything. So the reason I like this is because it is a third of the price. Just like the dental medical tourism for grown-ups. For the dogs, when they do hip replacements and, the ICU, some of these more expensive items, it might even be worth checking out that if Costa Rica might be a destination for your pet if they need some serious care, because this is all, the latest equipment, modern, doctors know what's going on. So Chispa got the full workup, the blood, all this stuff.
In 5 minutes, we have all the results.
This is an elevator for, think of it as an emergency section. It comes in for dogs that have been injured, bloody, bigger dogs that need, they can't walk.
Ooh, that's cold. That's cold. As you can see, again, the latest equipment. Oh, Chispa, I'm sorry. She's doing good though, huh? So Chispa's like 10 years old, and she got a really nice result. She's got a clean bill of health. Gets that last shot.
Okay.
That's not Chispa, I don't think. That's just another X-ray.
The dog has pancreatic cancer, and
so they explain everything really well and went over everything, which is really nice. So we knew Chispa was got a clean bill of health that we were pretty excited about. And clean bill of health, you deserve a little something, something. Good job, Chispa.